Hello, my name is Majid Smiley. They call me Magic. I've been working with birds all my life, and I've been training. The biggest breeder in the United States was trained by me. After I saw this bird need a forever home and somewhere to go rest, I decided to open a Zaksee bird sanctuary. So since then, all of the birds that they come to Zaksee, we try to give them forever home. But this is impossible for simple reason, because we have hundreds of calls every day. People send us email. Everybody try to find a home for their bird. But since we cannot support every bird, at Zaksee, I pay most of the cost. So what we got to do is, they need a big home. We don't want to put them in a small cages. And to build big cages, it needs donation if you want to make donation.
Hello. How do you go?
Hi, my name is Sandy, and this is Naya. Naya's about 10 years old. She's a female. A couple years ago, she started plucking, and I could tell that she wasn't as happy, so I started searching for a place that could be like a forever home for her. And it's been a very hard decision, but as I came here and I found Zaksee Bird Sanctuary, oh my gosh, it's like an Amazon. And she loves it. I can tell just by having her here that she's going to have a great time. And we're looking forward to coming and visiting and supporting this sanctuary. And it really is helping us out a lot, because Naya needs to be around other birds. She needs to be in a more natural environment. And for me, I can know that she's being loved and taken care of, and I can come visit her, and we can help support this sanctuary.
We are a 501c3 non-profit charity, and any help you give or donation is 100% tax deductible. So what we gotta do is we try to support them. They need a place to fly, and we try to make a jungle for them. Since we cannot take them back to jungle, we made their own jungle for them here. Zaksee is not a zoo, and we're not open to public. Our gate is closed 24/7. We do not open our gate. So please, if you like to visit Zaksee, anybody can visit as long as you become member. If you want to become member, all we ask is feed or sponsor one of our birds so we can buy them food and toys. If you can help us with the one bird, you are more than welcome to come visit us. You can always visit Zaksee.com and make a donation there. You can also visit our YouTube or Zaksee on Facebook. We have hundreds of pictures and videos.
I love you. Good baby.